In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with multiple streams. If you want to keep up with more than one game at a time, this guide will help you make the most of YouTube TV's features. Let's get started. YouTube TV allows you to stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, which is perfect for watching multiple live football games at once. Start by ensuring your subscription is active and download the YouTube TV app on each device you plan to use, such as phones, tablets, or TVs. Log in to the app on each device and browse the channel lineup to find the games you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. You can stream different games on each screen without interruptions. Additionally, you can use the Cloud DVR feature to record any games you can't watch live. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with multiple streams, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.